I am using OpenCV and Mediapipe libraries in Python codes with my webcam to view my finger gestures. These control the fingers of a robotic hand and 5 LED lights. I am using a robot hand that is fully assembled, except for requiring me to thread thin strings through the small holes from each fingertips to the palm of its hand. The camera delivers video input to Python codes using OpenCV and Mediapipe libraries. The code generates an array with the states of each finger, either up or down. The OpenCV script sends an array of 5 integer values to the serial port of the Raspberry Pi Pico. The Pico activates 5 servo motors and 5 LEDs via a Micropython script. Receive value of 0 moves the corresponding finger to a down position, servo to 0 degrees, and turns the corresponding LED off. Receive value of 1 moves the corresponding finger to an up position, servo to 180 degrees, and turns the corresponding LED on. The Micropython code for a Raspberry Pi Pico and the Python code using OpenCV and Mediapipe libraries are located in this GitHub repository.